Excuse me. Harry, please जागा बोल. Excuse me.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am. Okay.
Excuse me. Yo, Ram.
अरे यार.
Abhishek.
Can we start? Yes. The first one who wants to ask, Deepika. Or anyone else a question?
Or anyone else, yes.
Quick, raise your hands.
Okay, I'm going to take this one, of course, because see, time out. Of course, the new blog.
Ask. Alok is not here again to start this press conference.
Go ahead, ask.
आप हेडलाइन के बारे में पूछेंगे, मुझे पता है. हाँ?
क्योंकि भाई अभी समय दिख रहा है आगे पता चलेगा
कॉन्फिडेंटली पूछिए ना सवाल.
अभी वही दिख रहा है तो अभी वही पूछ सकते हैं
मैं दिख रही हूँ.
नहीं सलमान है यार
और आदित्य का कुछ लाइन.
Salman and I are star-crossed
Yeah.
lovers.
Well, we're not star-crossed lovers, we're like star-crossed lovers. And मैं हमेशा ये लाइन इसलिए यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि अभी काफ़ी सालों से लोगों ने हमको फिल्म ऑफर की है, बट for whatever reason it never happens, and that's why in reference to that I meant we're star-crossed lovers. Yeah.
Okay, now your film is out. Of course, it's done. Happy New Year has done really good. How does it feel? I mean, something about the film that I think everybody wants to know.
What's
How
the
was
collection now?
experience? Yes, he got it right. He just added up to it.
Ask me anything about the movie, I can tell you, but I think collections is the producer's department, reviews is my director's department. I think for me what is important is the love and appreciation that you get from an audience. I think it's been very well received. I think the kind of reaction that I've got to the film is, I think that's what one really looks forward to. You know, when you go out on the streets, you meet your fans. People keep greeting you Happy New Year, or they say, you know,
Yes.
आपका काम अच्छा लगा. I think that's the most satisfying feeling for me as an actor.
You're still promoting Aren't You Tired? Because I can see all over the press, all over the media, all of y'all are promoting. So
I think tonight at Shah Rukh's with his birthday and bringing in his birthday, I think would be the biggest celebration, and I know that the entire team is going to be there, so we're all looking forward to that.
Okay, so after this, there's a party happening.
Yeah, why do you think
Anyone else? Yes.
दीपिका हैप्पी न्यू ईयर का जो सक्सेस फीवर है वो अब तक बॉक्स ऑफिस से उतर नहीं रहा है. आप पर से उतरा है या अभी भी वही सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है?
तो लग रहा है ना सक्सेस फीवर चढ़ा हुआ है. चढ़ने दीजिए और भी चढ़ने दीजिए.
I'm not going to deny that when a film does well, it's a very, very nice feeling. Having said that, I don't think that you can, I don't think that it's something that you should hold on to for too long. Yes, enjoy it for a day or two because we've all worked really hard, whether it was the film itself, whether it was the promotion of the film, blood, sweat, tears, everything has gone into making that movie. And then when the results are in the way that we have got, you know, the kind of reaction that we've got to the film, the way it's doing at the box office, the kind of success that this film has seen, I feel like we deserve every bit of it. But at the same time, I personally believe that it's something that one should not hold on to for too long. Enjoy it because, like I said, you've worked hard, but you have to move on. Life goes on. Whether a success or a failure, life has to go on. You can't keep dwelling on it or taking it in for too long.
दीपिका, now you just spoke about yourself and Salman that आप फिल्म करना चाहती है but हो नहीं पा रहा है सलमान के साथ फिल्म. And ऐसे reports हैं that you know now that you've started, you work with Shah Rukh, so you belong to Shah Rukh's clan, and that's why you're not doing a film.
Really?
There are reports.
Give us some credit. No, I think we're a little more mature than that. I don't think we're not like school kids who are like, I'm your friend, I'm not your friend. That's a bit. It's a bit silly that we're even asked this question, honestly. And I think I'm someone who's had a very comfortable equation, whether it's directors, whether it's producers, whether it's actors. There's absolutely none of what you're saying. I think it's just the timing of everything has to be right. You know, it has to be the right kind of film. It has to be the right director. It has to be the right kind of part for him and me to come together. You know, and I feel like the more and more we're not doing a film together, the more this pairing is becoming like, you know, they have to do a film together. I guess that much more expectation. But no, I just think that it's something that has to happen very, very organically. And while our fans want to see us together, and I'm equally, more than the film itself, I'm more excited about, I've said this somewhere else also, I'm more excited about the process of working with him because I know he's a very very interesting person and a personality to just be around on set and things like that. So I know the experience will be a lot of fun, but I think it also has to happen organically. It can't. It's not something that you can put together. You know, it has to just fall into place.
All right. Okay, do you actually
Okay.
think...
Who are you? Where have you come from? You're somebody's girlfriend? Are you a journalist?
Ethan.
She's only smiling. She's just smiling. She's your girlfriend, huh? Don't lie. She keeps looking at you and smiling.
Go ahead.
Going to be your girlfriend.
Last row.
I know, yeah, I can make out,
Ask,
please.
last row. She wants to ask.
Yeah, yeah.
Contemporaries inspiring.
Who inspires me?
Anyone from
From my contemporaries. I think everybody inspires me. I say this because I think it's the most interesting time to be in Indian cinema right now. The kind of filmmakers that you have, the kind of talent that we have, the number of actors that we have, the kind of films that we are being made. I think everyone is... I really believe that it's the most exciting time, and the kind of films that not just me, I think even my contemporaries are doing, everything is so exciting right now that I think everyone is, I think everyone is challenging the other in a very, very positive, healthy way.
All right, there we go.
Deepika, recently Kill Bill के promotion में गोविंदा like just complimented रणवीर that उन्हें आपकी और रणवीर की जोड़ी काफी ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है?
He actually said this to us when we were at IFA last year, and he met me backstage, and I think Ram Leela had just released, or he had seen something of Ram Leela, and he really, really liked our on-screen pairing. And Ranveer is someone who's extremely fond of Govinda, and I think he enjoys his work, and he in a lot of ways tries to be like him, because I think he's inspired by Govinda in a lot of ways. So I think it's a huge compliment for us coming from someone like Govinda ji, whose work we admire and whose films I've grown up watching.
दीपिका, आपने रणवीर सिंह का न्यू लुक भी देखा होगा, कैसा लगा आपको?
जी नहीं, मैंने देखा नहीं है, because I've not started shooting for Bajirao Mastani yet. When I start shooting next year is when I'll see the look.
Deepika, Bajirao Mastani की जैसे आपने बात करी, there have been reports that you are a little bit upset with Priyanka's role in the film because उनका role काफी ज़्यादा है, and are you upset?
Do I look upset?
Now there were reports, so.
ज़्यादा रोल है?
Huh?
ज़्यादा रोल है?
I'm hearing this for the first time. Absolutely not. There's absolutely no truth to this, and I really request all of you also to not bring this up again after this, because we're already working in a very, very lovely environment where everyone is getting along with everybody. We have, all three of us have been given the same narration, the same script. We are very well aware of what we're getting into before getting into this film. And I think we're all very, very comfortable working with each other. So let's not try and complicate things when there is no issue. She's someone I'm extremely fond of. She's someone I respect a lot. And most importantly, I think she and I are, we know each other too well for any of this to affect that equation.
दीपिका, आज शाहरुख की बर्थडे पार्टी में आप जा रही हैं, आपकी तो आपकी तरफ से क्या बर्थडे गिफ्ट होने वाला है?
मैं जा रही हूँ खुद.
That's the gift.
That's the gift. No, I hope.
Anybody else?
I don't have a.
Go ahead.
I think in terms of material things, I don't think there's anything that he wants or needs. He's got everything. I just wish him a lot of love and happiness and success. Actually, not even success. He's got all of that also. Peace of mind, and I just want him to be happy, because I think that's what he's given us for so many years, through his songs, through his films, through his performances. He's given us so much love and happiness in our lives, and I wish him the same.
और एक चीज आपने कहा कि आप एंजॉय करती है प्रोसेस को जब फिल्म में की शाहरुख के साथ आपकी पहली फिल्म भी आपकी शाहरुख के साथ थी और इस फिल्म में भी वो प्रोसेस और बाकी जो दूसरे एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ जो आपने काम किया क्या डिफरेंस फील करते हैं ऑन सेट व्हाइल फिल्मिंग?
I won't say there's a difference. I think every co-star that I've worked with till today, or every experience that I've had till today on a film set has been very, very pleasant. Which is why even in my films that didn't do well, I never regret any of them, because even if the films didn't do well at the box office, they are films. I've made friends. You know, if Imran and Avantika and Shahana and all these people are my friends, it's because I did a film called Break Ke Baad. And okay, maybe the film wasn't received in the way that we expected it to, but I've got friends for life, you know, and sometimes I think I value these things more than anything else. So of course the success of a film makes the experience even better, but I think the journey and the people that you work with, and I genuinely feel like I've been fortunate to have worked with some really amazing people.
क्या कभी आप पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं जब आपकी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी उस दिन रणबीर की भी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सोनम की भी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सोनम आपके साथ है, तो करियर को देखें तो आप कभी पीछे मुड़ के देखिए सोनम ने कितनी तरक्की पाई या सोनम ने कितना ग्रो किया, आपने कितना ग्रो किया इस दरमियान?
No, not at all. Yeah, I don't think we're ever looking. I'm at least never looking over my shoulder or and wondering who's doing what. I think we're all really busy doing our own thing.
There was one more question.
Different films inspire different people. Everyone has a different career path, and no, not at all. It's not something that I've ever thought of,
Okay, there's one more.
and I shouldn't think of either.
और कोई सीनियर जिससे आप इंस्पायर होती हो आपकी फीमेल?
I just said no. I just answered her question. It's the same as mine.
As and when you work with Salman, you think your films with him will be able to achieve more than what your films with Shah Rukh have managed to achieve? Will it surpass the achievement?
See, you don't get into a film expecting that, because then I think the entire reason for doing a film itself is wrong. Sometimes I hear people saying, listen, let's bring this actor and let's bring this director and then let's find a script. Yeah, exactly. People put projects together, and I personally don't function like that. You know, I don't think you can put a project together. I don't think, so while this pairing is waiting to be explored, and it's amazing that this is the only question that I'm being asked today.
Yeah, exactly. I think ये तो मतलब become so
You can't plan
precious.
that. Of course, I want every film of mine to be a success. But at the same time, like I said, I think the experience is more important. I want to enjoy the experience of working with Salman, and I think the end result will follow automatically if we choose the right script, if we choose the right director, if we come together for the film that we're destined to come together for, then it might go on to become a success. But if we end up doing a film for all the wrong reasons, I think that energy might translate on screen and may not do well.
On that note, I'm not going to ask you any question about, I think enough of asking about Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. I want to ask you something very different, okay? The entire media faculty is here. You've had a little abrupt with media recently in Times of India. Has your perspective changed towards media? Are you taking them seriously? Are you not taking them seriously? What is it now?
You should ask them.
See, I think they take you very seriously. I want to know your
No, it's not about taking anyone seriously. I don't think my equation with anybody has changed, honestly, if you ask me. My opinion is my opinion, and it doesn't mean that I should have an issue with anyone, for that
well
matter.
said,
I
well
think
said,
I've met the media very well. They've been very kind to me. Forget how I am to them. I think they've been extra nice to me over the years, especially in the last 2-3 years where I've had a crazy time. And most importantly, so patient. They must be bored of seeing me event after event after event.
No, I think they love to see you. They
I try and keep them entertained and answer everything that I
Now,
can.
this is going to be your second cover with Stardust. How does it feel? Like
Only second?
It's more than a second cover.
Yeah,
It is
it's not no.
It
Second
is a
cover.
second. So, what, like, how? I mean, oh.
I need to work harder.
I really love. She really has to. Okay?
She needs to do a photo shoot first. No,
Yeah.
the other magazine she's been
Oh, yes. So,
savvy.
yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
Society. She's been on the other covers.
No, with Stardust, I specifically said
That's
Stardust. so-
second. He's very,
Yeah.
he's sure what he's saying.
listening.
Only
He's
second.
definitely listening.
And your
I
photo
can
shoot is
take-
pending.
I can actually take 2 more questions and then we can wind this up. So, yes.
Deepika, who's your favorite co-star?
Oh, here we go.
Oh. You're not giving me options? This or that? How come? You're being kind today.
See, Amitabh Bachchan is shocked with the guys.
I was actually thinking that. I'm saying it's a tough choice between Nasiruddin Shah and Amitabh Bachchan.
Very nice. Okay, and then one more question.
On a lighter note, the last time you and
It
Ranveer,
doesn't get lighter than this. What are you saying?
the last time you and Ranveer worked together,
How is this light now?
I'm coming to it, the lighter part of it.
Ah.
Okay. He had fabulous hair. In fact, his hair played a character in Ram Leela when he went.
Yeah, it had its own thing, yeah.
And so this time he's gone bald, and people are gonna miss.
There'll be one less character.
Yeah.
There are already 3, it's not enough.
So this is the lighter part. That's what he wanted to say. This is the lighter part.
Yeah. But I'm sure he'll carry it off. I haven't seen the entire look, so I can't say, but I'm sure he'll carry it off.
Alright. I think on that note, I am going to finish this wonderful session here. Thank you so much.
Thank
Entire
you.
media. Thank you, Deepika. When I... Okay, now...